In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the microphone in Google Meet. If you've ever found yourself in a virtual meeting only to discover that nobody can hear you, don't worry. I'm here to walk you through the step-by-step process to ensure your microphone is up and running smoothly during your Google Meet sessions. To start, open your web browser and head over to Google. It's the home page for many of us, so this should feel quite familiar. Once you're on the Google homepage, look at the upper right-hand corner. You'll see a grid of tiny squares, commonly known as Google Apps. This contains a suite of applications at your disposal, and it's your entry point to Google Meet. Go ahead and click on it. When you click on the Google Apps grid, a drop-down menu will appear, showcasing various Google services. Look for the icon labeled Meet in this drop-down and click on it. This will redirect you to the Google Meet landing page. Now, on this page, you'll see options to start a meeting. You're going to want to click on New Meeting to create an instant connection. This takes you to a new set of options where, for the purposes of enabling your microphone, you'll select Start an Instant Meeting. Once you've initiated the meeting, an interface should appear where you're almost ready to go. But before jumping into your meeting, let's ensure your microphone is enabled. Focus your attention on the upper left corner of your browser window. Adjacent to the address bar, you should notice an icon that resembles a camera. If you're on Chrome, for instance, it might be right next to the bookmark star icon. Clicking on this camera icon is a gateway to enabling your devices. A small drop-down will appear where you'll see a list of connected devices like your microphone and camera. Here, you need to specifically look for the microphone option. Once you find it, ensure you click and enable the microphone option. When you've clicked to enable the microphone, one last step remains. There will likely be a toggle button right there in the drop-down with an instruction to turn on the microphone. Simply click on Turn on Microphone to activate it. With the microphone now enabled, you're ready to participate actively in your Google Meet session. These steps should ensure you're heard loud and clear by colleagues, friends, or family during your virtual connection. If you run into any issues, double-check that your computer's audio settings are not set to mute and that you're selecting the correct input device. Now, you're all set to engage fully in your Google Meet meetings. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope your next meeting goes smoothly.